What's up, you guys? How's everyone doing? Welcome to Heart with Sunny. My name is Sunny. I am from Calgary, Canada. How's everyone doing today? It is Tuesday. We have a really cold day today. It is so cold outside. Oh my God. So yeah, yesterday I did a go live on both Instagram and Facebook at the same time, and I loved it. So I wanted to do that again. But one thing that I don't like is that sometimes I'm looking at this camera and sometimes I'm looking at this camera. I'll work it out, but I like it. I like that I get to do one video on both platforms. Time is a constraint, always, right? So why not do both at the same time? Hey, Ron, thanks for hopping on. 29, is that Fahrenheit? I don't know what that is in Celsius, but we are at minus 18 degrees Celsius. It is freezing out there. There's no snow. I mean, no new snow. There's snow on the ground. No new snow, but it is cold. It's like that bone chilling cold, you know, when you like go out and you just like, oh my God, it is cold. Anyways, I'm not complaining. It is what it is. I just roll with it. So how's everyone doing today? Drop in a hi as you hop on. Hey, Misty. Hey, Gundeep. Hey, Klaus. Hey, Angela. Thank you, everyone, for hopping on. If you saw my title, it says, are you overlearning? But it also talks about 14-day challenge. So yes, I have started Ray Higdon's 14-day challenge. Who here is in that? Let me know. Ron, are you doing it? I'm sure you're doing it, Ron. So yes, I have joined Ray Higdon's 14-day challenge. And oh, Angela, you probably are even colder than me, I'm pretty sure. Oh, Misty, I'm so jealous. Well, it's sunny here too. You get it? Yeah, so I have started Ray Higdon's 14-day challenge, and today's challenge was to share my journey. And what it means by sharing the journey is sharing my journey of the 14-day challenge. So that's today's challenge, and that's what I'm going to talk about. But since it's a 14-day challenge, which basically means personal development and learning, I also wanted to talk about learning and how people have it all wrong. So first, before I forget, the 14-day challenge I started today, and I want to talk about my journey before I talk about learning. So I am so excited about this 14-day challenge. Basically, it's a 14-day marketing challenge in which Ray Higdon is going to teach us attraction marketing. I'm already doing attraction marketing, but I am no expert. I'm sure I have it all wrong. Hey, Soul Food, how are you doing? Hey, Becky, thanks for hopping on. So I am so excited to learn, and it's going to be 14 days. I think there's going to be a video every single day, which is going to be some kind of challenge he's going to ask us to do. And in today's challenge, I'm going to share what I learned from Ray today. So today in Ray Higdon's training, it was mostly just housekeeping stuff, but on top of that, he talked about why you should not wait for perfection. And I'm not using his terminology. I'm not using what he exactly talked about. This is my takeaway from what he was teaching. And there's much more. So I did take notes, and I have actually a giveaway. Are you guys excited? I am so excited for the giveaway. Wait for the giveaway. I'll get it to you. Just stay on. He talked about why we should not be perfectionist. Well, he didn't use that term, but he said we should not wait until we are ready. I struggle through this, not all the time, but sometimes, and I'm sure a lot of us do, especially the people who are in social media marketing, online marketing. They do, but I'm going to relate this to other fields as well. So he said the example of not to wait for the perfect timing, or not to wait for you to be doing it so well. So for example, if you're going to do a video, hey Rosa, how are you doing, sweetheart? So if you're going to do a video, don't think that, oh my God, you know, my son is here and he's going to make some noise, so I'm not going to do it right now. Or, oh, you know, I need that stand to put my phone on. You know, one of these. I'm not using it today, but one of these where you can clip your phone and it can be hands-free. Don't wait for that, or don't think that, oh, I don't have those fancy ring lights which can put light on my face. Don't think that you need all that stuff and you need to be totally ready to do that go live video, to do that video. Don't think. You can just hold your phone in your hand and do it. Main thing is to take action. That is the main thing. Take action. Don't make excuses. Thanks, Soul Food. So, don't make excuses. These are all excuses. You will get ready when you will get ready. But the best way to be ready is to take action and to do those steps, to just do it, right? I'm going to relate this to weight loss or exercise journey. I have seen this so much that we're like, okay, January 1st, I'm going to lose weight, I'm going to exercise, and we sign up for the gym membership, and then we hit the gym the first day and we see, oh, I need these kind of shoes, or, oh, I don't have that fancy water bottle that that person has, or, oh, I need this, or I need that, oh, I need a tracker to track my heartbeat, or I need a step tracker, or I need this and I need that, and I need the perfect exercise clothes. And because we think, oh, I don't have all this equipment, or or even if you're just exercising at home, we're like, oh, I need weights, I need a treadmill, I need this, I need that, and we don't do it. Point is, just do it. That's it. Just do it. You can just put a YouTube video and just copy that. Use body weight. You don't need those weights to carry. Just use body weight. There's so many YouTube videos which have at-home workouts with zero equipment. You don't need anything. Actually, I did one of those today. I did a YouTube. I'm actually canceling my gym membership because I wasn't going. And the reason I wasn't going was that it's a 15 minutes drive. And then by the time you get in and you change your shoes, it's 25 minutes gone. And then you finish whatever you're doing. And then by the time you get home, it's another 25 minutes. So 50 minutes, I thought, back and forth was a waste of time. I'd rather just do it at home. We do have a treadmill, but that's all I have. I don't have any other equipment. I just popped a video. It was Pilates, mostly body weight, and I did that today. So that was his training today, but I talked about notes. So I did take a lot of notes, and I want to do a giveaway. If you want to get the notes from Ray Higdon's training, I'll be taking notes over the 14-day challenge. Please comment notes, please. So comment on this video, notes, please, and I will send those notes to you. I'll send you a private message and I'll send those notes to you. Trust me, this is a wealth of information. I love Ray Higdon. I love all the training that he shares, and I am taking notes for my team. But I would love to give back. If you want those notes, just put in the notes, put in the comments, say notes, please, and I will share those notes with you. I would love to give those away to you. Yes, Angela, I'll send the notes to you for sure, sweetie. So as I said, it's a wealth of information. So on top of that, I wanted to add my own training on top of that. This is what Ray shared, but I wanted to talk about, are you overlearning things? And what I mean by are you overlearning is that, are you watching, yes, Soul Food, I will send you a message, sweetheart. So are you watching too much training? Are you learning things too much, just too much, right? And what I mean by that is that a lot of people think learning is the end result, but learning is not the end result. It's learn, do, result. That's what it is. So you learn, you implement it, you take the action, and then you get the results. But we all forget that in order to get those results, we need to do something. We need to take some action, and we forget that. And we think learning is the end result, and what ends up happening is two things. Number one, we keep watching training after training after training, like that squirrel shiny object syndrome. Oh my God, I should register on this course. I should register on this course. I should register on this course. I should take this training. Oh my God, I'm missing on this one. I'm missing on this one. FOMO hits in, and we keep registering for all these trainings, and we end up watching 5 hours of training in a day when we've actually not learned anything. Well, we think we have learned, but if we haven't done the second step, the most important step, which is do, if we haven't done that, then it's no point watching all those trainings, right? And if we have learned and we don't do, we're not going to get the result. We think learning is the result, right? That's what we think. Hey, Lisa. Well, Well, then it's perfect, right? It's perfect timing that I'm talking about this. And Lisa, you probably know I talk about this in every team training. Guys, if you have only 1 hour to watch training, watch only 30 minutes of training and spend the rest 30 minutes to do what you just learned and do it on that day. Today, Ray told us to do this, and I'm doing it today. Like, do it on that day, right? Don't just wait on it. So two things I said happens. Number one, we watch tons of training and we don't do anything. We don't take any steps. The second thing that happens is that we watch a training, we love it, right? We love it. We didn't do the action steps. We didn't implement it. And then the next time we see that same training, we're like, oh, I already have watched it. No, you haven't, because you thought learning was the end result. So you watched it, you took notes, but you didn't take the steps. So you need to watch it again. If you think you found a training which was amazing, but you haven't done the action steps or you haven't implemented that training, then watch it again. Learning is not the end result. End result is you learn, you do, and then you get your result. So the end result is your goals, the goals you want to achieve. So this is what I talk about with my team all the time. I want to use an analogy here. When you go to school or you go to college, what is your end result? Your end result is that you want to get some job. Let's say you're going to medical school. So the end result is becoming a doctor, right? Let's say you're going to beauty school. The end result is to be a makeup artist, right? So that is the end result. Is your end result just going to the college and learning, and then you leave college and you say, oh my God, I learned about how to do a surgery and I learned this and I learned that? No, that's not the end result. The end result is to get that job that you were training for in college. So the same thing applies to network marketing and your business as well. Don't just register for this training, that training, that training, that training, that training, that training, that training. But what you want to do is you focus on one thing. So I, at the beginning of the year, actually decided to do 3 programs. Ray Higdon's 14-day challenge, right? And then I thought of doing Mel Robbins' Mindset Reset, which is a 35-day thing. I registered for it. And then I'm also doing Jumpstart Your Heart with Dr. Travis Fox. I registered for these 3 things. Day 1, I started Ray Higdon's program, right? And then Jumpstart Your Heart started on, Mel Robbins started on before January 1st. So I did her first day 1 or 2, and then Ray Higdon is starting today. And then Jumpstart Your Heart started on January 5th. I started Mel Robbins. I did like 3 days, and then I realized that I really, really, really want to focus on Ray Higdon. And I said, well, you know what? I don't want to do both. So I stopped my Mindset Reset. I did it like 2 days and I stopped it. I said, no, Ray's starting on the 8th. That is my priority. I really want to do it. I've heard really good things about it. I'm not selling you guys on Ray Higdon. I just love him. So, and it's the 14-day challenge. That's the topic of this Go Live. So I'm just talking about it, not trying to sell you guys on Ray Higdon. I do share it with my team, anything I learn. So I did that, and then Jumpstart Your Heart started, and I literally watched like 1 day, and I felt it's too much. I don't have time to implement all this. Right now, Jumpstart Your Heart usually doesn't have any like action steps as such. It is more like just, honing into your heart, listening to your heart, and doing meditation, which I already do. So I'm going to watch those trainings, but I'm not going to think about, oh my God, I need to implement something. But I stopped Mel Robbins. So my only focus right now is this one training that I'm doing. That's it. So that's my topic for today. That's what I wanted to talk about. Don't become a learning addict, as Lisa said. Don't think learning is the end result. Anything you learn, make sure you implement it right away on that day. On that day, trust me. And that's when you're going to get the results. Don't FOMO, trust me, guys, you're not going to miss too much. If there's some training your team is saying it's amazing, it's amazing, it's amazing, save it for later and watch it some other time. But today, if you have 1 hour, watch 45 minutes and spend the rest 15 minutes to implement what you just learned. That's all I wanted to say, guys. As I said, I have notes from the Ray Higdon's 14-day challenge. If you would like to get those notes, please drop a comment to your notes, please. And I would love to share them with you. That's all for today. You guys have an amazing, amazing, amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a sunny life.